Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. So in this video, I will be introducing us to Pixeilab and the icons there and how to use them, what they're being used for. So first and foremost, we're going to begin with this down icon. So the first one we have is the My Projects. This My Projects are your designs that you saved. That after you have designed on your Pixeilab, that you saved them into the Pixeilab. So once you press it, all your designs will be saved. Yeah. So these ones are the default background, though we don't normally use it. So these ones are the default background. So that is that on that. So let's move to the other ones. So we see here, you see this A icon is meant for your test. So let's press test. Okay. So once you press the A icon to the test, there's a lot of other icons here. So we're looking at them one after the other. So yeah, you press edit. You delete the name test. Okay. Okay. Let's bring it down. So here is delete. So this next one is copy if you want to copy your text and all. So this two front and two back. Okay, the front might not. Okay, so let's go to. I'll be showing us how to use this two icon later. This two front and two back. So let's go to position. So this position, where you want to position it. So this is to the left. Sorry, to the right. Why this is to left. This one is the down one. This is the up line. You can increase it just to move faster. So that's it. That's on that. The other one is relative position. You want to be at the center. This one is for the center. This is the right. This is the left. So like that. So the next one is the size. That's the size. The next one is the padding. So if maybe your test, some parts are not showing very well, so this is what this is for. The left padding, so increase it. So this is the right padding. We increase it, to show very well. Then we reduce it. So that is that. Here's the color. You add color to your image, to your text, and also the other one is the gradient. So the gradient enables you to use two colors. So, and if you're not okay with the colors that is there, the gradient that is there, so you press this one, there this plus icon, you press it. So you see this two colors down here. Once you press it, make sure that this yellow color down here shown. So you go to this, you press this icon, you go to the picker here. So you can pick any color from here, any color of your choice, any color of your choice. Press OK. Then move to the second one too. Press this, then pick any color from here as well. Okay, press it from here. Then pick any color. Press the OK. And you mark it. So you have generated another gradient. So the next one is texture. You want to texture any image or color from the background. Just press it, then okay, let's just pick this magical thing. You see, I've textured it already. So the next is capacity. It's not there, so you can reduce capacity. Then mark the sign. So the next one is okay. Let's move to the font. So this font here we have fonts, my font, and recent. These fonts are the fonts that comes with Pixeilab. Why my fonts are the fonts that you installed into the Pixeilab? The recents are the fonts that you used recently, be it from my font or for fonts. So these are the fonts that I used from the Pixeilab, and these ones are my own fonts. So these ones are my font. So you can pick any font from here to use for your text. So mark the good sign. So this one is style. Do you want to put it? Do you want to italic? Underline. And if you don't want it, just press this one. Everything is off. Have the good sign. So the next one is curve. So that is that. And if you don't want it, you press the center icon here and then you mark the good sign. The next one is when you want to add the background text. So you can also change the background color too. So that is that and that. So the next one is align. You want it to be left align, but the words are not much here, so you could not really show like that. So okay. The center line and you want it to be left. This is right. So that is that. The next one is spacing. You have spacing. That is spacing between letters. And if you don't, okay, so that is that. So that is a spacing between letters. And if you don't want it, press this entire icon. Everything is back to normal. Then mark the good sign. This one is line spacing between. Can you see it? So that is that. The next is stroke. You want to add stroke to it. You can also increase the stroke here and add color to it as well. Color, you can add color to the stroke. So that is that. The next one is shadow. You enable it, add shadow to it. The next one is the inner shadow. So that's the inner shadow. Mark the good sign. So as you go on with design, you get to know them. So let's move to the next one, the next icon. So this center icon here. So the first one here we have the stickers. So this is it. This is what is here. Then the next one is import. Here you can bring in image, background, whatever you want to bring into your Pixeilab for your design. So you can import them through this. So just mark the good sign and you're good to go. So you have import. So once you import, this is where it's going to carry. So you can copy it, or maybe you want to crop some parts out of it. You can go to go then. So good. This is to font. We want okay. Now let's delete this. Now I want to bring this to the front. I want to bring this to the front, so just press to font. So that's the purpose of that. So it's already at the front of this, and you want to bring it to the back. Press to back. It's at the back of it. So that's the start of that. So we have also relative position, the size. Talk about the size. Let's talk about color, texture. So here too we have the capacity to increase. Here we have color filter. So we want to change the color. So this is that. So let's go to the next one. Okay, here we have the color, the transparent, the image size. So the color, we have decorated. This is for the background, the color of the background. So let's start on that. The next is transparent. If you want your design to be transparent, that is that. So the next one is the image size. This is where you set the size of your design. What is the size of the design? So this is where I set it. That is that. So the next one is image. So this is it. So basically this is it. The next one is image from gallery. So this image from gallery, you can pick image from the gallery from gallery. That is, you can pick image from the gallery as well. So this image from gallery. So this is it will cover up the whole space. So that's you'll be able to work on it. So that's all the image from gallery. So basically this icon is the background. So that's that. So the next one we go to the pop icons. So the first one looking at is this 3 dot icon. So yeah, you have also here using it for gallery. So here as well, you can exit from here. You can set your image size from here as well. You can import image from here as well. You can save your image. You save your image to a gallery here. So that is that. So the next one on the icon left with dots. These are the image or your write-ups that you have imported to the Pixeilab. So this is where it's going to show as a designing your write-up, your image, and also you see them here. So here as well, you can delete from here. You can lock it as well. So that is that. So the next one, this one that looks like basket, is lines. So for this line, you can use it if you want your image or your write-up to be a line, like you want them to be in a straight line. You can use this to make sure everything is aligned, is on a straight line. So that is that. So this one is a zoom. enables you to zoom it. Yeah. So let's start. And this one, this arrow here is the black icon. So as you're designing, maybe you make a mistake or something, you can just easily go back. So that is that. And this one is the delete. This is the text icon. This is the date. This is the text icon. So this is the text, the current date, stickers. We have talked about those ones as well. So this one that look like camera. Here you have this icon helps you to save your project, and the next one you have to save as image. So you save your project. The second one you save as image to your gallery. Then this one you want to you save it and you share. So the next one is the quotes and all. So that's that on it. Thank you. So as you go on designing, you learn more about the icons and all. So that's the end of the introduction to the Pixeilab. Thank you.